In this video, I will show you how to change the address on your provisional driving license in the UK. To update your address, go to the official Gov UK website and select Change the address on your driving license. You can change the address on either your full or provisional license, and it's completely free. You can also continue driving while you wait for your new license to arrive. Before you start, make sure you have your driving license and that you're a resident of Great Britain, as the process is different in Northern Ireland. You'll also need to provide the addresses you've lived at for the past 3 years and make sure you're not banned from driving. It's also important to update the address on your vehicle logbook V5C, your vehicle tax direct debit, and your personalized registration number documents if you have them. If your license is valid for more than 2 years and you want to update your photo too, you'll need to renew it for £14. However, if it's valid for less than 2 years, you can change your photo while updating your address at no extra cost. Once you complete the online form, DVLA will send you a confirmation email and your new license will arrive by post. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to How to Tutors.